In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on Google section. Then choose All Services. And scroll again, this time to tap on Autofill with Google. Now click on Google Password Manager and tap on any password you wanna edit. In my case, this one. Don't worry, this operation won't change anything about your password in actual app. It will only change how it's saved in your manager. Click on it, enter your current screen lock, and then tap on Edit button. Finally, change whatever you want to. When you're done, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!